Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick look at NSabers.com, a site that's been getting some attention lately among Star Wars fans. They claim to offer high-quality lightsaber replicas at affordable prices. But is NSabers actually legit, or is it just another online scam? Let's talk about it. First off, one thing that immediately stood out to me is the domain information. NSabers.com has been around for a while and is registered through 2029, which usually shows commitment and long-term planning. Definitely not the usual sign of a fly-by-night scam website. They've also got active social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, which adds to their credibility. It's always a good sign when a store is willing to interact with its customers publicly. They also provide full contact information on the website, which is another green flag. That means if something goes wrong with your order, you have more than just a generic email address to reach out to. Customers online, especially on Reddit, have shared mostly positive experiences. While there are a few mixed opinions, the overall vibe is that people are happy with what they received. Now let's talk about the sabers themselves. NSabers offers a good variety, inspired by classic Star Wars films, video games, and modern series. The craftsmanship is surprisingly good for the price, with many customers saying the sabers are solid, durable, and come with nice detailing. Plus, the prices are a lot lower than some of the bigger replica brands out there, making it a nice option if you're on a budget. That said, there are a couple of things to be cautious about. The brand is still relatively unknown and doesn't have many third-party reviews on major platforms like Trustpilot. So while everything seems legit, you might want to do your own research before buying. All in all, NSabers.com looks like a legit site with a lot of potential. Just approach it with the usual online shopping caution.